All right, hello everybody. My name is Kintner, and today in our spotlight this week, I'm going to be showing you how we made the trash ball sound effects. All right, yeah, well, I'll show you how we did it. So I have this recording set up here. This is a shotgun mic. It's not technically what you'd want to use for this type of recording, but it works. Um, so all I did is I have just a torn up peanut M&M. Wrapper in here with slime that I would use in my car to clean up dust and stuff. And I just wanted the slimy, gross texture. This is kind of dehydrated now since it's been a while since we made the sounds, but mixed with this paper sound and that slime sound that it originally had, it sounded really like a mess, sort of what we wanted from our trash ball. So all I did was just a bunch of just swirling around, and I would go at different paces to match up like with layering later on that you'll see in Fmod to get it to go faster and slower. So it would go like this, faster and slower. All right, so we're in Ableton now. So we had the whole recording here. I chopped it up into the three speeds we went at, which was the slow at first. I can play here. That one was just the slowest version we went at, and then I went to the fast, or the medium, I should say. And lastly, we went fast. And then there's some extra stuff I recorded at the very end, so that's in there as well. We'll take this into another workstation called Audition, and then lastly, we'll arrive in Fmod to get it integrated with Unity. All right, now we've moved on into Audition, where you'll see here we have, it looks like two clips, but it's really just one of the clips of the medium pace right here. So I have to make a loop out of each clip so that it'll work in Fmod if you want it, like if the speed of the ball keeps rotating at a medium speed. If you run out of time on that original recording, then it would just sound like it would stop at some point. So you have to have it loop. So I have to make a seamless loop where we take that original roll sound into Audition here, and we were looking for, you have to look for zero crossing um, on this sound here so that it doesn't clip when it goes to loop here, which you can see right here. It's practically at a zero right here, and then further down the line on the other side, it's also at a zero, and then they'll crossfade into each other to create this seamless loop. All right, we're at our final destination now. This is Fmod. This is the project, the event for the trash ball. You'll see there's a lot of parameters on this one. The only one we're really worried about is this RPM one, which is just I think RPM stands for rates per minute, but it's basically the speed of the ball. Um, so I had a slimier version of that ball rolling loop we had, and then I just had the recordings mixed up in here as well. So it also has some automation that you'll hear as you get faster or slower um, with your RPM. Um, so if we go in here, raise it, it gets louder, and you'll notice the pitch is also going up at the same time, giving it that like engine sound almost as it slows down. Yep. All right, thank you guys for coming. I was glad I was able to show you guys some hellish audio. Next, we'll talk to Deshaun about his audio implementation.